whether software development for PLC controllers for factory and process automation, integration of the MES communication of your machine for traceability purposes, or the development of industrial apps and desktop solutions to connect your production to the manufacturing IT. At GLAUB, we offer you the complete range for a successful transition to the smart factory. Benefit from the expertise of our software specialists. With years of experience and comprehensive expertise in numerous industrial sectors and customer projects, we support you in the planning, implementation, and commissioning of successful software solutions. These software solutions include classic systems such as PLC and robots, advanced technologies such as cobots and Windows applications, as well as innovative approaches such as mobile apps and industrial Raspberry Pis. Our team works closely with you to develop customized solutions that are precisely tailored to your specific requirements and business objectives. We guide you through the entire process, from the initial needs analysis and concept development in workshop format, through programming and system integration, up to training and ongoing support for your employees. Our solutions are designed to ensure a high level of scalability and future-proofing, so that you can also benefit from the advantages in the long term. Do you need support to successfully master the challenges of the digital transformation? Contact us. GLAUB, we ensure manufacturing sites.